So hello everyone, welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. And now in this tutorial, let's see how to configure the GCC compiler in Windows. So first of all, move on to your browser and search for GCC Cygwin compiler. And over there, open the first link. Inside that, click on Install Cygwin. And now click on the Setup x86 exe file. Now once the download has complete, run the exe file as administrator. So once the download is complete, you will have to browse to the download location of the compiler, and over there you'll have to run the setup application as administrator. Click yes and continue. Once again click next and choose install from internet. And over here you can customize your installation directory. I would like to leave that to the default. And over here you can choose whether to install the compiler for all users or just the current active user. This is the file location where the temporary downloaded files will be saved during the process of installation. Make sure you choose system proxy settings for the package download. Over here you can choose any of the mirror links to download the compiler. Once you have selected the link, just click next and proceed. Wait for the download to complete. And once you reach here, under the view drop down menu, choose full and search for GCC-core, which is the core compiler. And this is the one that we are looking for. And over here, choose the latest version and make sure it is a stable version, not the one that says test, which is a pre-release and is prone for bugs and glitches. So choose the latest stable version. Make sure it's not skip. So once you have selected the version, we will have to select the GDB version that we need to install. Choose the latest stable version again. Once you have done that, the last one that we need to install is the make. And scroll down a bit until you find the make. So you'll have to select the latest stable version again here. So that's all of the required packages that we need to install. And so once you have done that, click on next, and this will show us a brief of the packages and libraries that we are going to install. So once you have reviewed that, click on next to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click on finish. Now let's see where the compiler has been installed, and this is the location of my compiler. So as you can see here, we have the GCC compiler over here. Let's try executing a sample C program. Now let's try running this program over here from the command prompt using our newly installed compiler. So gcc space file name. As you can see here that it says gcc is not recognized as a command or function. So this is because Windows does not know what to do with this gcc command. The functionalities of gcc is not explained to Windows. So for that we will have to add this directory to Windows environment variable. You have to copy this file path and you have to right click on this PC, go to properties, and over here you have to go to advanced system settings and click on environment variables and choose path here and click edit. Over here you will have to paste the new path, so click on new, paste the new path and click OK, and OK. Now this have completed the setup process. Now if you try running the same program from here, let's close this terminal and open a new terminal. If you try to run this program, you can see the compilation was successful, and you can see that we have a exe file named A. So we can run that. Yeah, now you can see the output. The installation was successful, and the Cygwin also provides us with the complete bash interpreter environment, so we can also run shell programs using Cygwin. Let's try doing that. So over here I have a sample shell program. We just print hello world to the terminal. So let's try running the shell program using our command prompt. So sh space s program. Now you can see the output has been displayed. So the reason why it works is because, as you can see, if you go to the root directory of your compiler, you can see that we have a command, you have an executable version of sh. So essentially what happens is that when we mention the command sh over here, the command prompt refers to the environment variables. It sees that we have added this path to our environment variable, so it looks for an application named sh in all the environment variables. As soon as it finds this application, it tries to run this file sprogram.sh with respect to the functionality of sh application. So that's how this works. So that's all in this tutorial. If you have any doubts and queries regarding the installation process, feel free to comment down in the comment section. So see you in next tutorial. Thank you.